Alex had always been fascinated by animals. He spent hours poring over books about cows, chickens, and pigs in his school library. His teacher, Mrs. Johnson, had even let him bring in a stuffed animal to class one day so he could show everyone the different types of farm animals. But Alex's dream was to see these animals in person. He begged his parents to take him to a real farm, but they always put it off, saying they were too busy or that it was too far away. One day, Mrs. Johnson announced that she had arranged for the class to visit a local farm as part of their unit on agriculture. Alex couldn't contain his excitement. He had never been to a real farm before, and he couldn't wait to see all the animals up close. The day of the field trip finally arrived, and Alex was practically bouncing out of his seat with anticipation as the school bus pulled up to the farm. As soon as they stepped off the bus, Alex was in awe. The farm was huge, and there were cows, chickens, and pigs everywhere he looked. He ran ahead of the group, eager to explore every corner of the farm. First, he came across a group of cows munching on a lush green field. Alex had never seen cows before, and he was amazed by their size and gentle demeanor. He reached out his hand to pet one of the cows, but it snorted and moved away, startling him. Mrs. Johnson chuckled and told him that cows can be a bit skittish around humans at first, but with some patience and kindness, they might just let you scratch their ears. Next, Alex stumbled upon a group of chickens pecking at the ground in search of tasty bugs and seeds. He had never seen chickens up close before, and he was fascinated by their brightly colored feathers and curious nature. One of the chickens even hopped onto his shoulder, making him giggle with delight. As Alex continued to explore the farm, he came across a group of pigs rolling around in the mud. He had always thought that pigs were dirty animals, but as he watched them play and splash around in the mud, he realized that they were just having fun. One of the pigs even came over to him and snuffled his hand, making Alex laugh with joy. As the day went on, Alex explored the rest of the farm, meeting goats, sheep, and even a mule named Benny. He helped collect eggs from the chicken coop, milked a cow, and even got to feed the animals himself. It was the best day of his life, and he knew that he would never forget this experience. As they made their way back to the school bus at the end of the day, Alex turned to Mrs. Johnson with tears in his eyes. "Thank you so much for bringing me here today," he said, his voice shaking with emotion. "I've always wanted to see real animals on a farm, and now I know that I can be a farmer when I grow up." Mrs. Johnson smiled and patted him on the shoulder. "I'm glad you enjoyed your visit," she said. "You'll always have these memories of your trip to the farm, and maybe someday you'll get to live on a real farm with all the animals you love." Alex beamed with happiness as he settled back into his seat on the bus, already dreaming of the day when he could leave the city behind and start his own farm, surrounded by all the animals he had grown to love. He knew that he would always cherish the memories of this trip and the lessons he had learned about kindness, patience, and the importance of following your dreams. As the bus pulled away from the farm, Alex looked out the window and watched as the animals disappeared into the distance. He knew that he would never forget this day and the joy that it had brought him. He was already planning his next trip to the farm, eager to spend more time with the animals and learn even more about them. And so, with a heart full of happiness and a mind full of memories, Alex settled back into his seat and dreamed of the day when he could be a farmer and live on a real farm, surrounded by all the animals he loved. What was Alex's dream? Alex's dream was to see real animals on a farm. Why did Alex's parents always put off taking him to a real farm? Alex's parents were too busy or said it was too far away. What was Mrs. Johnson's arrangement for the class? Mrs. Johnson arranged for the class to visit a local farm as part of their unit on agriculture. How did Alex feel as he explored the farm? Alex was in awe and had never been so happy in his life. He was excited to see all the animals up close and learn about them. What lessons did Alex learn from the trip to the farm? Alex learned about kindness, patience, and the importance of following your dreams. He also learned that cows can be gentle, chickens are curious, and pigs can be playful and fun.